Any questions about new words? Yes. Do you need time to learn new words?
One bit.
Begin. Now we are going to make a song.
Play game.
Take. So this game is called mix and match. You are mixing and matching. So what is mix? Mix. So what are you going to mix? The word with what?
Picture.
That's it. Guys, we're going to play a game. So what are you going to do?
Play game.
What game?
Mix
Mix and match. That you like?
Yes.
To make friends here. Take one. Take. Just picture. Show, just picture. Show. And then show. So what does it mean? So do you want to hear and
Blackout.
yes. What out? Yeah. And your turn.
Audience.
What is audience in Kazakh? Chapter bir sausağın buluptur.
HDMI cable. Wi-Fi.
Well done.
Surface.
Surface of what plant? Guys?
Immersive passing.
Okay.
Coping. Biru. Audi.
Distraction.
You may sit down. Anyone wants to begin? Diala, yes. Diala, you are giving your popcorn to anyone in the classroom, but don't give your popcorn to your friends. Okay? Guys, don't give your popcorns to your friends. Listen. Yeah?
In geography, you're sitting on the edge of the volcano that's about to erupt. Sen geografi sababında aklıma düşen neden kaldım? Corn is for alone.
Uzun жаратылыштын сабагында айдын бетинде жүрсүң.
Yes.
In the afternoon, it's English, and today we are in the audience for the first night of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Today Ағылшын тілі сабағы және бүгін Шекспирдің Romeo and Juliet пьесасын тамашалап отырсыз. Popcorn is for Әлшер.
Sağolsun, lazım. Mümkün емес секілді естіледі. Popcorn, aziz popcorn.
So, one more sentence please for you.
Virtuality touch will soon make the school day a reality. Virtualды шындықтың көмегімен біз күнделікті сабақты шындыққа айналдырамыз.
VR involves hardware and software. VR headsets covers your eyes and ears completely, making sure that the real world doesn't intrude. VR құрал жабдық пен бағдарламалық қамтамасыздандырудан тұрады. VR гарнитуралы көздеріңіз бен құлақтарыңызды толық жауып тұрады. Осылайша сізге шынайы өмір басып кіре алмайтынына сенімді боласыз. Popcorn is for
It is connected to a frontal either wirelessly or with an HDMI cable. Ол гарнитураға сымсыз да қосыла алады және немесе HDMI кабель арқылы.
Жоқ, приставка мен гарнитура бір-біріне қосылады.
Сымсыз және
Wi-Fi арқылы да. Listen. Look at the board, please. Now you have three colors of markers. Red color is for you, blue color is for video games, and you guys have social media app. What color? Black. It is. Now, if the poster is begun with red marker, you must write about VR headset parts. So what is VR headset parts? Translate. Blue color means that you are writing how VR headset works. Translate. Yes. And black marker means that you are бір нәрсені алып деген сөз сол туралы жаза беремін деген сөз емес. Алдыңа постер ауысып келген кезде саған ауысады. Демек сен бәрін білу керексің. Okay? Do you feel that? Do you understand me? Yes, guys, look at me. No? Right. So, do you have writers? Yes. Who is writing here? Axiom, your writer. Your writer? Yes. And others are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. Stop writing. Yes. Okay. So guys, you have red color. Stop. Stop. Close marker. Guys, you have red color. You have blue marker, and you have black. All that is yes. Please.
Great news is
The world
the world
first
competition.
Okay, 1 point here. 1 point here.
started in 2017
In Queens. Red color. You guys have 1 more. Yeah. Next. Starts with blue way. 0. Next. Okay, 0 for you. And about the idea. Okay, let it be so you have 1 more point. So you have 2 points. 2 points you have, and you guys have 0. Read.
the headset tracks our movements and change what we see on the display.
1 point.
Which on HDMI cable.
Okay, 1 point for you. Next.
We are involved in
What? Hardware and
hardware
software.
and software.
Okay, 1 point.
For that environment, there were
Copies.
copies.
Okay, 1 point for you. And the last one.
For that information.
Sorry, but I didn't ask. So, how many points do you have, guys? Read about what? Мультері, yeah? Культура.
Also on the headsets.
Okay, for headphones, 1 point. Next. 1 point. Next. 0. Next. We'll see microphone 0. Sorry, but so how many points do you have? 3. Now, anyone wants to do wait, yeah, come.
It is immersive. We can only see the image on the display. Question I have more headset parts.
What I learned the lesson were headsets parts. A question I have the next lesson more were in effect.
More effects.
What I learned, I learned new VR parts. A question I have, no any questions.
In the lesson, I know about VR and how works VR. I want to more how works VR.
I learned how VR works and sells with some make it simulating. I have the new graphics.
Okay. Do you want to learn more?